I'm going to show you how to completely waterproof your laptop. This one simple modification will make any laptop completely waterproof. And the best part is, it doesn't void your manufacturer's warranty. Don't believe me? Even after completely submerging the laptop in water, it continues to work. Looks like the laptop is broken. Not to worry, there's a simple fix. Cover the laptop in rice. Leave it for an hour. That didn't work. Try cooked rice. Leave it for an hour. That didn't work. Try adding curry. That didn't work. Try eating it. That didn't work. Try air drying. That didn't work. Try blowtorching it. That didn't work. If all that doesn't work, don't panic. Simply call support. Chances are your laptop is still under warranty.
How can I help? Yes, so you get a 30-day warranty with all of our laptops. What was the issue with it? You were trying to waterproof it. So, unfortunately, no, we're not going to, the warranty doesn't cover you submerging a laptop in water. And for the future, I'd probably recommend not putting laptops in water.
That didn't work. That didn't work. Cover the laptop in rice. That didn't work. Try cooked rice. That didn't work. Try adding curry. Don't forget the naan. That didn't work. Try eating it. That didn't work. Try air drying. That didn't work. Try blowtorching it. That didn't work. That didn't work. That didn't work. If all that doesn't work, simply buy a new laptop. Perfect! Your laptop is now fixed.